Dear students, today we will study about the equivalence of rational number, where we will talk about equivalence of rational numbers. Is that equivalent rational numbers? And how we will define that what are equivalent rational numbers? If I have two rational number, let's suppose p by q and r by s. P by Q and R by S are the two rational numbers. We have to check whether the numbers are equivalent or not. What is the condition for it? Condition for equivalence is that if I multiply P with S and Q with R, P into S must be equal to Q into R for the condition of equivalence. So this is the must condition, and hence therefore we can say that P by Q is equals to R by S is that the numbers are equivalent. The values of the two rational numbers are same. So let's suppose first we talk about one question. Write two rational numbers which are equivalent to 3 by 5. We are talking about this question, and here we have to see whether two numbers that are equivalent to 3 by 5. For this we want and need one another condition that says if a number is p by q, it will be equal to another number if the same number is multiplied in the numerator and the denominator both. Then the number that has come out to be, let's suppose r by s, will be equal to p by q because the two values will be equal to each other. Hence therefore the same thing we will be doing here. I am taking number the 3 by 5. I will multiply some number in the numerator and the same number in the denominator. So let us take one number that is 3. I will also multiply the same number in the denominator, that will be 9 by 15. It is not necessary that I will take a positive number only. I can take a negative number also, but you have to convert into standard form. Likewise, I can take another number also. Let's suppose minus 4. So 3 into minus 4 will be minus 12. This will be minus 20. Then the standard form will be 12 by 20. Why standard form? Because denominator cannot be negative here. So hence therefore we have the two equivalent rational numbers to 3 by 5. Likewise we can do such question. Now the next question that I am going to talk about is the condition that we have studied earlier. That let's suppose we have a question, compare or check whether 6 upon minus 11 and 3 upon 15 are equivalent or not. Actually, if we have to check two numbers are equivalent or not, how we will check it? So the only method that I have already talked about is that we will multiply the numerator with the denominator of the another and denominator of one to the numerator of the another. The same thing we'll be doing here also. First we will convert 6 upon minus 11 into the standard form. In every question you will first convert the number into a standard form. Hence likewise minus 6 by 11 and 3 by 15. You will cross multiply, or you will multiply the numerator with the denominator and the denominator of one to the numerator of the another. And hence there I got minus 6 into 15 and 11 into 3. Minus 6 into 15 is minus 90 and 3 into 11 is 33. I can clearly see that 90 is negative, therefore it's smaller than 33. So here minus 90 is smaller than 33. One thing I want to also talk about, many students have confusion how to check whether 6 upon minus 11 is bigger or 3 upon 15 after checking the products. So what you can do, you just can check the product that is bigger. Which of the two numbers you are taking is the numerator? Is 11 a numerator? No, it is a denominator. 3 is the numerator. So the number bigger will be 3 by 15. But here we are talking about equivalent. We will just write, therefore, minus 6 upon 11 is not equivalent to 3 by 15. And you will write it in statement also that this is not equivalent. These type of questions will come into the exam for class 7 based. I hope you all able to understand. Thank you.